Jai Hind. I'm Vedanand Singh. You are most welcome on my YouTube channel. Today in this video, we are going to discuss the book matter of the chapters using twins in Animate CC. Here, this video is for class 8 computer science. We have learned all the topics of the unit like symbols and instances, classic motion, shapes and twins, layers in Animate and masking in animation. Now we'll do the only the book matter of the exercise. The first question is MCQ type question. Which symbol contains sound and video? The options is given here. Among these three options, the correct answer is B. Movie click is the correct answer. Now the next question is dash is an illusion of movement. The correct answer is that animation is the an illusion of a movement. Now the next question, third number question is which twinning creates a effect similar to morphing. The correct answer is shape is a correct answer for the question. Now the next is dash is a traditional method of animation. The correct answer is twinned animation is a correct method for animation. Now the second last question is in animate dash is used to hide a selected part or display content. The correct answer is masking is used for this. Now the question is for true and false. You have to click true and false among the statements are given here. The first is an instance is a copy of symbol on the stage. Yes, this is a true statement is here. The next is a button symbol adds interactive activity to a movie and respond to mouse click. Yes, this is also a true statement. The next is motion twins smoothly morphs a rectangular into a star. Yes, this is also a true for the statement. The next is the normal layer is shown by default. Yes, this is correct statement. The next is a marks limit the view of the layer below it. Yes, this is also a true statements. In this unit, all the true statements are here. Now the question number C. In the question number C, it is written here. Fill in the blanks using help box. Here help box is given here. With this help box, we have to fill up the statements are given here. The first is a symbol is stored in dash means symbol is stored in layer library. Generally symbols are stored in library. Now the next is the dash of a symbol is copied of it and is dragged from the library to the stage. The correct answer is instance is a correct option. Now the next third number is layers are like a transparent sheet that can hold objects and are stacked on the top of each layer. The option is you have to fill up with the layers. Now the next fourth number is masking is the used in animate to hide a selected part from the audience. The masking is the correct answer. Now the next is the animating object can be moved on a specific path using a motion twins. With this end, this is a book matter of exercise number 5. Now come to the book matter for exercise number 6. In the single video we are going to do. Yes, the name of the chapter is more on Photoshop CC. We have learned all the detail in the chapters. What we have got in this chapter, we have learned the layers in Photoshop, eraser tools, blur, sharpen and smudge tools, painting tools, retouching tool and working with the text. We have all this learned the topic here in the chapters. Now we are going to do the exercise question, book matters. The first is MCQ type question is here. Which tool is used to create the smooth stroke of foreground colors? The answer is brush is a correct answer among these three options. Now the next is which of the following is not a type of eraser tools? Means there are three tools are given here. You have to find which are not the eraser tools. The correct answer is Edge eraser tool. Edge is not an eraser tool. The next is third number is which tool allows used to paint the area of image with a patterns means this is a clone stamp tool is used for this one. The next is which tool is used to darken the area of an image means burn tool is used for this purpose. We have discussed all these things. Now the next is dash are the transparent sheets that can hold object and are stacked on top of each other. The option A is a correct option. Layer is a correct word you have to fill up in this statement. Now the question number B part is you have to fill up the with true or false. The first statement is burn tool soaks up the color like a sponge from an image. Yes, this is a false statement. Now the next is spot healing brush tool is used to repair imperfection. Yes, this is a true statement for this statement. Now the next is the DOS tool is used to darken the specific area of an image. Yes, this is a false statement. The next is layer can be combined, hidden and duplicated. Yes, this is a false statement it is. The next is brush tool is used to add color to an image. No, this is not used for adding image. That is a false statement. Now the C number question is fill in the blanks using the help box. In the help box is given here. There are some words are given here with you have to choose a word and fill up in the sentence. The first is dash tools is used to remove the imperfections from the image. Means retouching tool is used for this purpose. You have to fill up the retouching in the first line. Now the next is the dash tools allows you to draw the copies of a portion of an image in the same or different image file. Means you have to fill up the colon stamp tool is used for this purpose. We have discussed all this thing in detail in class, so I'm not going to discuss in detail. We are doing some exercise questions only related to book matter. The vertical type text help to write from top to bottom. Vertical text type it is used for writing the text from bottom to top to bottom. The next fourth number is when you open a file in Photoshop, the first layer created is the background layer is created. So you have to fill up this background layer. The next and last question is text dash is used to position the letter or text in a different shape. You have to fill up the word. Text warping is a correct option for this question. If you are new to this channel, so never forget to share us with this in Jai Hind, Vande Matram.